Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be making teriyaki, well, chicken teriyaki with vegetables and basmati rice. So yeah, let's get straight into the video. I'm gonna set up the rice because I'll be doing it in the rice cooker, and then I have my pot here and I'm going to saute some, well not saute, I'm going to caramelize some onions and then do the vegetables and then the meat. A packet of mixed veg. So yeah, let's get straight into the video. I'm gonna be using maybe 3 cups of rice. Just about. And then I'm gonna clean my rice and come back, so I'll be back in a minute. Okay, so my rice is clean. I'm just gonna pour some olive oil and some salt into it and start it. I'll add more salt later on, but I just wanna cook it in a little salt at first. We're going to put it into the rice cooker and I'm going to select white rice and start. So the rice is cooking, so now we're going to do the onions. I'm going to sprinkle some olive oil into the pan. Already chopped my onions, and I already chopped and seasoned my meats as well. You can season it with whatever seasoning you desire. I'm gonna pour my onions into the pan. I'm gonna spread them out a little, try to separate them some more because some are still together. And then I'm gonna sprinkle some black pepper on them and a little salt. And yeah, we're gonna let that cook and I'll be back when it's mostly done or seasoned. So this is how we're looking so far. We got them starting to caramelize a little bit, and the rice is cooking. We got 35 minutes. I'm probably gonna stop it before the actual time, but yeah. Okay, so this is how they're looking. I'm about to take them out. So pretty much I'm just going to take the onions out the pan and then put in the vegetables. Then we just have some mixed vegetables. I'm just going to turn this down a little bit more so it doesn't splatter that much. And then pretty much just pour the vegetables in the pan. And spread this out a little bit. You can use any mixed vegetable packet you want. You can cut up your own vegetables. It's just easier, so. And then I'm gonna increase it a little bit. I'm gonna add some. You can hear something whistling. I put on some kettle. I put on the hot water for some tea. I'm gonna sprinkle this with some salt and some black pepper, and I'm gonna add a little bit more oil to the pot and then let this saute. And I'll be back. The rice says 22 minutes. This is how it's looking. Add some salt to it and taste it and probably turn it off. I'm actually gonna turn it off now. I'm gonna add a little bit more water because there's not much water in it. So I'm gonna add some salt and some water and then I'll leave it. Because I don't want it to stick. So this is the veg. I'm about to take it out and then I will start the chicken. gonna pour it on top of the onions as well. Just going on top of the onions. Okay, so now we're on to the chicken. This is how my chicken look. They add no paprika. It doesn't really have much color, but yeah, we're gonna add it into the pan. We're gonna let that cook. Decide to add in some paprika. I'm gonna let that cook. Okay, so this was 2 whole chicken breasts. I cut them up. I'm actually, when it's like getting softer, I will actually break up some more and make them a bit smaller. But this was 2 whole chicken breasts. We're gonna try and cook out some of the water or the sauce in the chicken. We're gonna try and cook some of it out. Or majority of it out, I should say. Okay, so now I'm gonna pour the vegetables and the onions into the pan with the chicken. Just pour everything in. And we're gonna mix everything up together. And then like get out some of the excess oil that's in it. Our teriyaki sauce, and we're gonna pour it into the pan, drizzle it. I use majority of the bottle. I'm gonna mix it up and see how much sauce is in it, and then decide if I want to add more. This is how it's looking. We're just gonna make this cook up for a while and then taste it, and if it needs more seasoning or salt, we'll add some, and then we'll mix our rice and our chicken together, our veg. Okay, so while the chicken is cooking, I'm gonna take out some rice. This is the rice. If it focuses. I'm not gonna eat a lot, I'm just gonna eat a little bit. Even though I turned this off, it was still really hot, so I cooked the rice a little bit more. I'm just gonna have 1 serving. Not too sure if this is a serving, but I'm just gonna go with this amount. Also, we'll be drinking some dairy-free coconut kefir. Shake it up. Shake, shake, shake. Shake, shake, shake. Shake, shake, shake. We're just gonna pour some in my cup. I'm gonna go for maybe this amount. I think I'm gonna have a yogurt as well. Yogurt. Okay, so this is our sauce. I'm gonna taste it and see if it's good. We have chicken. I'm gonna add a bit more salt to it. Plus, I'm gonna add some salt to my rice because I know it's not salty enough for me. And then I'm just gonna the rice.